Before time, before space, there was only a point. From it came motion, form, and the great cosmic dance of existence. We humans, beings of curiosity and wonder, have always looked to the stars for answers, and as we gazed upon the tapestry of the cosmos, we discovered a hidden code, a blueprint for reality itself, sacred geometry. Imagine a time before time, a place before space. Within this emptiness, a single point emerges. It is the singularity, the source, the unmanifested potential from which all things arise. In the mystical traditions, it is the void, the great I Am. Just as a mighty oak tree lies dormant within a tiny acorn, so too does the entirety of the cosmos reside within this infinitesimal point. From the singularity, from the point of pure potential, emerges the duality. The one becomes two, giving rise to the fundamental forces that govern our universe. Picture two lines extending from the point, moving in opposite directions. This, my friends, is the dance of duality. Without duality, there is no motion, no change, no evolution. From the stillness of the point, the universe bursts forth in a symphony of motion and energy. As the two forces interact, as they push and pull, a third element emerges, the triangle. This simple yet profound shape represents the first stable structure in the universe. It is the embodiment of the principle of three, a concept woven throughout mythology, spirituality, and the natural world. The triangle, my friends, is a symbol of creation, of manifestation, of the divine made manifest. It is the foundation upon which more complex structures are built, the cornerstone of creation itself. Two active forces, two passive forces. Four lines emerge, intersecting to form the square. This, my friends, is the realm of the material, the tangible, the world we experience with our senses. The four lines represent the four cardinal directions: north, south, east, and west. They symbolize the four elements of ancient wisdom: earth, air, fire, and water. The square, with its four equal sides and four right angles, represents stability, structure, and foundation. And now we come to a most intriguing shape, one that speaks to our place in the grand cosmic order, the five-pointed star, the pentagram. With its 5 points representing the head and four limbs of the human form, the pentagram symbolizes the rise of human consciousness. The pentagram is also linked to the planet Venus, the celestial embodiment of love, beauty, and creativity. The pentagram is a powerful symbol of human potential, a reminder that we are not merely passive observers in the cosmic drama, but active participants. When two triangles, one pointing upwards, one pointing downwards, intertwine, they form the six-pointed star, the hexagram. Also known as the Star of David, this ancient symbol represents the perfect union of opposites: heaven and earth, spirit and matter, male and female. The hexagram is a visual representation of the Hermetic axiom, as above, so below. It reminds us that the same patterns and principles that govern the cosmos are reflected in our own lives. 4, the number of the material world, and 3, the number of the divine, combine to form the number 7. This mystical number, represented by the union of the triangle and the square, is a symbol of spiritual enlightenment. Think of the 7 chakras, those swirling energy centers that connect our physical bodies to our spiritual essence. Consider the 7 days of creation, a story that speaks to the divine order underlying the universe. The number 7, my friends, is a reminder that we are not merely physical beings, but spiritual beings having a human experience. 2 squares joined together create the 8-sided octagon, a symbol of infinity, of cycles. of the eternal dance between two realities. In numerology, the number 8 represents balance, harmony, and the infinite loop of existence. Think of the infinity symbol itself, a figure 8 lying on its side. The octagon, with its 8 sides and 8 angles, also represents the transition between dimensions. 3 triangles, intertwined in perfect symmetry, form the nonagon, a 9-sided figure representing completion, wisdom, and the culmination of cycles. In numerology, 9 is the final number before the return to 1, representing the end of a journey, the wisdom gained through experience. Think of the 9 months of human gestation, a period of profound transformation and growth culminating in the miracle of birth. The number 9 invites us to embrace the cyclical nature of life, to find peace in the ebb and flow of existence. We arrive now at the most primal and profound shape of all, the circle. The circle, with no beginning and no end, represents the eternal cycle of life, death, and rebirth. It is the symbol of wholeness, unity, and the interconnectedness of all things. The ancient symbol of the Ouroboros, a serpent or dragon eating its own tail, perfectly captures the essence of the circle. The circle reminds us that we are part of something much larger than ourselves, a grand cosmic dance that has been unfolding for billions of years. From the smallest atom to the largest star, we are part of the eternal cycle. The universe is not a random collection of objects, but a symphony of interconnected patterns and relationships. Sacred geometry is the language of this symphony, a language that speaks to the very core of our being. For within these sacred forms lies the key to unlocking our own hidden potential, to rediscovering our place in the grand cosmic tapestry.